Ladies class final. So number 121 it's Shana Tamayo, number 19 it's Pia Gabriel, number 22 it's Hernandez, number 11 is Gamboa. So number 16 is Jasmine Hao, and then Janelsa Ulog. So yan po yung tatakbo sa ladies class final. Ayan, Jasmine Hao. So ito po yung race organizers natin, Clifford Gabriel. Ayan. And then 10,000 Gabriel. So sila po ang race organizers ng Moto Yamaha Series 2023. Ayan. So ayan, ladies class final hit. Final hit na po tayo, guys. Okay, 15 seconds, board is up. 5 second, board is up. Ayan na, binitawan na. Who's got the whole shot? Who's got the whole shot? Wow! Grabe! Shana Tamayo got the whole shot. Ayan, bakbakana with Pia Gabriel. Ayun, oh. Shana Tamayo followed by Pia Gabriel, Hernandez, Jasmine Hao, Janelsa Ulog, and then Gamboa. Ayun, grabe. Lakas ng mga babaeng to. Ayan, oh. Dikit ang bakbakan, oh. Pia Gabriel versus Shana Tamayo. Wow! So Shana Tamayo leading the race, followed by Pia Gabriel. Ayun, oh. Grabe. Dikit ang bakbakan. Ayun. So magandang bakbakan, Pia Gabriel versus Shana Tamayo. Ayun. Battle of 4 laps. Ayan. Pressuring Pia Gabriel, Shana Tamayo. Ayun, no, dikit ang bakbakan, no. Pia Gabriel versus Shana Tamayo. Ayun, no. Yan. Wow. Oscar third. Yan. Eds Hernandez. Ayun, no. Bakbakan ay Shana Tamayo versus Pia Gabriel. Dikit. Dikit na dikit. Yan, Shana Tamayo and Pia Gabriel. Pia Gabriel pressuring Shana Tamayo. Yan, Gamboa. So yan, Shana Tamayo leading. Grabe. 85cc versus YZ125. So 85cc lang po ang gamit ni Shana Tamayo, while Pia Gabriel is YZ125. Yan, lakas ng mga babaeng to. Yun. Shana Tamayo leading all the way, followed by Pia Gabriel. So waiting for white flag. Waiting for white flag for Shana Tamayo and Pia Gabriel. Ayan. So leading all the way it's Shana Tamayo, followed by Pia Gabriel. Ayun, no? Wow! Lakas mga babaeng to. Pia Gabriel on second. Ayun, no? Number 1 to 1 is Shana Tamayo, followed by number 19 Pia Gabriel. Yan, it's Gamboa. Yan, Shana Tamayo leading all the way. Waiting for checkered flag. Yan, Pia Gabriel. Waiting for checkered flag, Shana Tamayo. Ayun, Shana Tamayo got the champion in ladies category here in Taisan, Batangas at Dobson's Motocross Park. Second is Pia Gabriel. So, thank you for watching. So thank you guys. So please share my video, follow my page, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you. Ayan, Janelle Saulog and Jasmine Howe on 5th, Gamboa on 6. So thank you guys.